Ang Diyos natin hindi lang basta nagbibigay ng buhay, siya mismo ang buhay. Lahat po tayo libag lang noon. Lahat po tayo ay alabok lang, ang sabi ng scripture. Alabok lang tayo, alikabok lang tayo, na pinorma. Alam niyo lahat ng creation ng Lord from day 1 to day 5, lahat nagsalita siya, nagsalita. Oy, let there be light. Let there be firmaments. Pero pagdating sa'yo, hindi siya nagsalita, ginamit niya yung kamay niya. Ganon ka ka-espesyal, kapatid. The hand of a very creative and excellent God. Pinorma ka. Pak. Eh ano naman? Mananatili pa rin tayong alabok until God breathed into us. So the life that you have is the very life of God Himself. It's in you right now. He breathed life into your situation. What does it mean? Ibig sabihin, kahit na patay, kahit nga yung buhangin sa 10 plagues ng Egypt, yung buhangin naging lisa. Hindi kaya ng magician yun eh. Kasi yung mga magician, hindi nila kaya magbigay ng buhay. Ang Diyos lang ang kaya magbigay. They cannot imitate that. Because only God can bring life into your situation. Remember Lazarus? 4 days dead. Mummified. Umaamoy na. Nung dumatay ang ating Panginoong Jesus, ang sabi niya kay Martha, buksan niyo yung tomb. Ito, man-made na tinanggal. Buksan niyo yung tomb. At sumigaw ang ating Panginoong Jesus, Lazarus! Kumi! Rise up! God can bring life into your situation. Patay na relasyon, patay na pangarap, patay na negosyo, anumang patay sa buhay mo, kapatid, may kapangyarihan ng Diyos na i-resurrect ito. Come on, is there somebody out there? Is there somebody out there na naniniwala at nakaranas mismo na yung dating patay na karir, binuhay ng Panginoon? Na yung dating patay na sitwasyon ay binuhay? Somebody out there, I'm sure somebody out there can testify that something dead in their life was raised back to life again. Bakit? Ang Diyos na pinaglilingkuran natin ay Diyos na hindi lang nagbibigay ng buhay, siya mismo ang buhay. Siya mismo ang buhay. Ang biblical hope is never based on what is possible for men. Ang biblical hope is never based on what is logical. Ang biblical hope walang halong pagdududa kasi ang biblical hope ay siguradong sigurado. Kapag sinabi mo, I expect, I have hope that God will heal me, you are not just believing for a healer. You are expecting a healing to come into your life. It is the confident expectation that something good is going to happen in your life. It is the confident expectation that something good, something amazing is going to happen in your life. Only God can see the future. And because He lives, we can face the future. We can face tomorrow. The reality na ang Diyos na pinaglilingkuran mo ay buhay is enough for us to realize, uy, ano man takot na nararanasan ko, alam ko may pag-asa sa hinaharap kasi alam ko, buhay ang ating Panginoon.